Face mapping, one of traditional Chinese medicine's ancient arts, reveals a lot about your internal health. Holistic skincare experts study the skin in different zones of the face for indications of health and well-being, often picking up slight imbalances in the body. Face mapping is an effective way to diagnose minor conditions, but always consult your health practitioner if you have grounds for serious concern. Zone 1. This area reflects the health of the bladder and intestines. Spots and congestion may mean the colon is congested or being cleansed. If you see breakouts there, try eating less processed or junk food. Zone 2. The liver is stimulated here. Tension or imbalance in this area is reflected in breakouts and premature wrinkles. Cut back on alcohol, fats, and preservatives. Zone 3. This area reflects the condition of the kidneys. Dark circles are sometimes not only due to lack of sleep, but also dehydration. Avoid dehydrating drinks and have plenty of water. Zone 4. The condition of your lungs is reflected in your cheeks. Skin irritations, breakouts, or congestion around the cheeks are linked to allergies, chronic lung issues, or smoking. If you smoke, it is time to quit. And for those with allergies or chronic lung issues, make sure to inhale fresh clean air. Zone 5. The end of the nose relates to the heart. Redness, broken capillaries, or swelling may reveal high blood pressure and a cardiovascular system under stress. Zones 6, 7, and 8. The chin area forms the end of the T-zone and is the site of an abundance of sebaceous glands. In Chinese diagnosis, breakouts here relate to the reproductive organs and hormonal fluctuation. The position of spots during menstruation is said to indicate from which side a woman is ovulating.